Now, let's take a look at how teams and planning departments can use past sales data more effectively. We start with a basic but important question: what was sold and how much? Using this transactional data as input, generative AI can help identify trends and generate actionable business insights. For example, here we've analyzed sales performance across 3 different business segments. The system highlights how sales are trending over time, which products are performing well, and when demand spikes occur. Instead of manual analysis, planning teams get AI-driven insights and next-step proposals. This shift not only saves time but also enables faster, more confident decision-making across departments. It also suggests hypotheses, like why a certain product might be selling better in one region, and proposes ideas for future sales strategies based on those trends. Now let's look at how planning and strategy teams can make use of historical sales data. In this example, we fed past transaction records into a generative AI model, specifically information like what was sold, in what quantity, and to which customers. Based on that input, the AI generated a visualized report showing revenue trends across 3 key segments: industrial robots, precision electronics, and office equipment. It also analyzed the data to propose hypotheses for each segment. For example, a spike in industrial robot sales may be linked to rising automation demand. Precision electronics may reflect short-term supply challenges or delayed investments. A dip in office equipment in 2022 could be tied to shifts in remote work. In addition to trend analysis, Gen AI also generated potential strategic responses, like adjusting product lineups, reviewing marketing strategy, or exploring alternative suppliers. Unlike a chatbot format, this output is structured like a traditional report, something you might use in a weekly management review or planning session. And importantly, this use case shows how Gen AI can also work with numerical data, not just text, making it a powerful tool for both analytics and planning.